Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating hardware and making a bootable installer. Check CPU, RAM, and disk capacity, and enable TPM or Secure Boot if installing Windows 11. Once done, create an 8 GB plus USB with the Media Creation tool, or Rufus, choosing FAT32 or NTFS depending on your UEFI needs. Make sure to back up personal files, record your product key, and download network or storage drivers now so you won't be stuck offline during setup. Now boot from the USB and begin installation. Enter UEFI or use the boot menu, select the USB, then choose Custom Install to control partitions. Delete or format the target partition, then pick the unallocated space so Windows creates required system partitions. Make sure to install a network driver if the installer doesn't detect NIC hardware. Otherwise, proceed with the on-screen prompts. Once files copy and the system restarts several times, you'll move into post-install configuration. Finish with out-of-box setup. Pick your region, user account, and privacy choices, and let Windows install drivers and updates. After initial login, install chipset, graphics, and network drivers from the vendor. Then run Windows Update until no critical patches remain. If you encounter boot issues, make sure UEFI versus legacy mode matches how you installed, verify SATA is set to AUSI, and use the recovery USB to run startup repair or rebuild the BCD. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most boot problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.